as we celebrated Christmas each year to remember the birth of the Lord Jesus Christ. Christmas is the festival of love and peace. So as the MLA of 10 Jirang Constituency, I would like to wish all the MLAs, MDCs, I would like to wish all the officers, and I would like to wish all the leaders of churches and all the leaders of different NGOs and all the respected leaders of the state a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. From my part as the MLA, I'm wishing the people of my constituency and the people of the state a very Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year 2022.